This is Martin, your business coach from Finance Oracle. I am here again today to share with you a concept that will help you grow and nurture your business. Well, today I'm going to be discussing with you growing your business through the Igbo man's business acumen. Well, it sounds funny, right? Yes. But then there is something an Igbo man has done differently, which has made an Igbo man outstanding and as one of the best tribe in doing business in the entire worldwide. Well, today, before we go to look at this business acumen, I would like to give you a brief introduction and definition of what a business acumen is. The business acumen is simply someone's ability to understand and handle business situations. It is the collaborate collection of both general and knowledge specific values about how things get done and why they are done so. Well, now I want to list out a number of points and a number of things the Igbo man does differently, which I would like you to leverage on henceforth. Number one is synergy. Well, the Igbo man understands that synergy is one of the way he could grow his business. The Igbo man do not want to leave any business undone. He realized that whatever business I do not do is waste and is a loss for me. And he realized that whatever business I do is an addition to me. So the Igbo man, sometimes when he has seen a job which is big than his capacity, he's synergized with another business and they form as though they were one business, execute this job, get their money, and share the profit, and everybody goes happy. This is one point what an Igbo man does differently. Number two is collaboration. Sounds very similar, but not the same. Well, the Igbo man understands that collaboration is one of the ways he could achieve his results. Let me give you an example. An Igbo man who sells building material. When you come to buy building material from him, he tries to inquire from you if you need a builder. And the moment you show interest, he tells you because he has a builder that he builds, he has his workers, and he can do it for you at a much cheaper rate and at a good standard and value. The moment you accept, he gets a builder, collaborate with him, and send him as his builder. When this builder begins this project, from beginning to the end, all the materials will be purchased from this Igbo man. By so doing, he has secured the sales of materials from you from beginning to the end. Another one is networking. It sounds very familiar also. Networking, the Igbo man understands that he needs to interact and engage with people for mutual benefits. So the Igbo man network with other businesses to be able to achieve what he wants. Next is leverage. An Igbo businessman leverage on other businesses. He depends on some other businesses for him to be able to achieve the set result of his business. Maybe he's an auto dealer. What he will do is he try to make friends with businesses that are similar to auto dealer, like mechanic shops and maybe other people who works with spare parts. At the end of the day, he's sure that he has a network of persons who will always come to patronize him outside his immediate customers. Very importantly is finance management. The Igbo man is one of the best you can ever imagine when it comes to finance management. An Igbo man would have made millions of money, and you see him with a simple t-shirt and a simple slippers, and he goes his way and does his business. He doesn't need to wear expensive goods, expensive clothes. The Igbo man also realizes that the money which he makes, he has to reinvest a huge percentage of it. So he's very careful with his spending, in what he eats, what he drinks, and where he goes to. The Igbo man does not believe in buying very expensive things, when he's still growing. But when he has grown and become so big, he can buy multi-million and multi-billion things. He doesn't really care. But for the first time when he's building up, he's going to manage his life. He's going to eat very cheap food at work, and he's going to save a lot of money and reinvest until when he has grown so big. Next is training. The Igbo apprenticeship training is a very huge investment in the growth of an Igbo man business. You know, the Igbo man will have to go for apprentice, sometimes 3 years, 4, even up to 7 years of apprenticeship. Within this time, he learns every secret of running a business successfully. Remember also that already all his uncles, the auntie are already business people. He has been doing business from when he was little, yet he spends good quality time doing apprenticeship and getting the values which are going to help him to grow. Training is one of the things an Igbo man does differently. Another one is humility. The Igbo man is humble when it comes to his business. The Igbo man may not be naturally humble, but when it comes to doing a business, he becomes very humble, just like a little baby. You can actually call an Igbo multimillionaire who is running business, come. He will come and say, oh, no, go. Okay, come. Can you bring this to my house? Can you bring it to my shop? And you just realize that you who are talking, who have sent him on those many errands, you do not have 10% of his resources. But because he wants to make sure he does that business and close it up successfully and make his money, he is willing to humble himself and do it without any complaint or grudges. Next is patience. The Igbo man is patient and willing to learn. An Igbo man asks several questions. He makes several inquiries and is patient to see his business grow from grass to grace. He is willing to see his business have little addictive on daily basis until when it becomes what he wants it to be. And lastly, I would like to share with you, the Igbo man love what they do. They love doing business and they see it as a major means of survival. They do not see it as a means of passive income, but they see it as a trade which will lead them to where they want to get to. These are the reasons why the Igbo man has remained and continue to be successful. So if you want to run a successful business, you have to borrow from the acumen of an Igbo man. I hope you enjoyed this today, and I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Do not forget to share so that your friends can also watch with you. Thank you very much, and do have a nice day. Cheers.